welcome to Teluguone Food Kitchen Stories with Soumya, and today we have on our show a very special guest, my very dear friend Bhumika, who is now a home chef. And today we are here with her to check out some amazing Christmas delight. Hi Bhumika, welcome on the show. Thank you so much for having us in your home. What are you making for us today? Christmas special enti?
So today I am making a very amazing recipe that I developed a few years ago. It's my special matcha cake.
Wow.
Yeah.
Matcha is all the rage now. Meerandariki ippudu hot favorite anukuntan. Wherever you go, everyone is saying and talking only about matcha. Be it cakes, be it coffees, it's matcha everywhere. It's all the rage now. So I'm pretty excited. Let's start the recipe for this. So what are the ingredients we need?
So like I mentioned, we have some flour. Yeah, it's a multigrain flour for health conscious people.
Okay.
Using brown sugar, this adds amazing texture to the cake.
Again, a little healthy.
Yeah. And then we have this beautiful matcha from Japan.
Okay.
Not available in India. Very, very special for me.
Okay.
Then we have these healthy brown eggs.
Okay.
Some coconut oil. Milk, A2. Then we have some baking powder and we have vanilla essence.
Awesome. ఇప్పుడు ingredients చూసేసారు కదండి, so let us start the recipe.
Done. So first we'll add the flour.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we add
Brown sugar.
Okay. We add the matcha. Let's add little first and then we'll mix and see how much we need more.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's first mix the dry ingredients.
Okay.
Generally a whisk really helps to clear out all the powders. We can also use a little bit of the sieve also for powder, but this does good work. So I use it, frequently in the mixing.
Okay.
So all the lumps that are there, they can kind of get opened.
ఓకే, చూసారు కదండి, ఈ 3 ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇలాగా లైట్గా మిక్స్ చేసేసుకుంటే లంప్స్ ఫామ్ అవ్వవు అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ ది బేకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ చాలా ఈజీ మనకి.
So this takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Nice mixing.
Okay.
We don't want any white powder. So the ideal cake mix should not have any color of the flour. I think our mix looks good.
Yeah.
Now we can add our next ingredient, which is the eggs.
Okay.
Yeah. So
now we mix it.
yes.
సో ఎగ్స్ వేసిన తర్వాత చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఇలాగా మిక్స్ చేసుకోవాలండి, సో దట్ లంప్స్ ఫామ్ అవ్వవు.
For me, the cake batter is right when the eggs fold completely into the powder. Obviously lumps will not form, and we can also use a spatula just in case, sometimes in the middle, just in case the cake is not folding or something like that. So we also use this also really helps a lot.
Okay.
So once the entire mixture is mixed, then I will add the rest of the ingredients. The entire batter has been folded into the eggs. That means our proportion is absolutely correct.
చూసారు కదండి, ఇట్స్ సమ్వాట్ లైక్ దిస్, లుకింగ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. సో ఇలా రావాలి, ద కన్సిస్టెన్సీ షుడ్ బి లైక్ దిస్.
Yeah. So now I will add fat.
Okay.
Which is our coconut oil.
Okay.
So this is like a really nice brand, which I use again. Quality for certain things. I mean, if you're using such great matcha, you have to match it with the right coconut oil. So yeah, it takes a little bit of time for this to fold in. If it's taking too much time, we can add little milk. Creates little bit of space for everything to mix together. Yeah, now it's little more mixed, so I can go little faster, but still it's mixing. So I will try to first mix the entire thing. Then we will go for thoda sa fast mixing.
Right. It's looking gorgeous.
Yeah, it's because of the coconut oil. If you use butter, the effect of it will not be the same.
I normally don't eat anything that is like green in color.
So this cake and milk mixtures come out well. Now our two last ingredients are our baking powder.
Right. Baking powder అసలు మర్చిపోకండి. This is what will give the rise to the cake. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇది మర్చిపోతే ఇది కేక్ అవ్వదు, ఒక లార్జ్ జాయింట్ సైజ్డ్ కుకీ ఆర్ బిస్కెట్ అవుతుంది అంతే, ఇంకేం కాదు.
And we can also use the vanilla essence also.
Lovely.
Now this much is good. This is a very strong essence again.
Yeah.
So in case I need it later, I mean,
this should be good, right?
Yeah, it should be good.
Else it will become very overpowering in the cake.
Anyway, matcha by itself doesn't have a lot of in terms of like fragrance. I mean, those who are very attuned to matcha will feel it obviously, but those who don't know, they will not know much. So vanilla is a base flavor which goes with every cake.
Right.
Almost.
Okay.
Almost. So again, a little bit of mixing would be nice to just remove any extra lumps that I see.
Okay.
So great idea is to put this. So any lumps which are there, it will come on the surface.
Okay. I love cake batters.
Yeah, we are going to taste it also.
Oh, yum.
So if it tastes bad, maybe I make a face.
No.
All right. So this looks good. I will give you a spoon to taste. Here you go.
Thank you.
Let's taste. So we taste little bit when we are tasting.
Right.
Obviously.
Official batter tasting time. It's yummy.
So now we can pour the cake tin in.
Okay.
Soumya, would you pass me that?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is already pre-greased with butter.
Yes. I like to pre-grease with butter. Earlier we used to add flour, but I think that kind of adds a different taste.
Right.
So now I've stopped it. Cakes come out well like this. So let's do it. We won't fill the tin completely.
Okay. చూసారు కదండి ఎంత సిల్కీగా ఎలా గ్లైడ్ అవుతుందో. లుకింగ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్.
If it comes full, I will, but let's see. If there's extra, we can microwave it.
Okay.
And eat a quick bite.
Should not overflow out of that.
Yes.
ఎప్పుడునంటే బ్యాటర్ ఫుల్ వరకు ఫిల్ చేయకూడదు, ఎందుకంటే అది వీ యాడెడ్ ద బేకింగ్ పౌడర్ కదా, కేక్ రైజ్ అవుతుంది. అది రైజ్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి కరెక్ట్గా ఈ మాత్రం వేస్తే రైజ్ అయ్యేటప్పటికి టిప్ వరకు వస్తుంది. మీరు టిప్ వరకుగానే ఆ బ్యాటర్ వేస్తే రైజ్ అయ్యి కేక్ విల్ స్పిల్ అవుట్. And now it's ready for baking.
Yes, it is.
And baking ki already oven preheat type.
Yes, we usually preheat the oven at 250 degrees for 10 minutes.
Okay, awesome. Aithe చూసారు కదండి, this is the mix. We'll quickly pop it for a baking. అయిన తర్వాత we have to make the sauce.
Yes.
Yes. So ఇది bake అయ్యే లోపు we'll quickly prepare the sauce and we'll come back.
In a saucepan, we will take some cream, some butter and some sugar. So we will slowly mix this with a whisk or a spoon and let it come on a boil. And once it's boiled and thick, we will cool the cream down a bit, maybe in the freezer or in the fridge, or if you have too much time, then on the room temperature.
We are back and the cake has turned out amazing. చూస్తున్నారు కదా, బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా బేక్ అయింది.
So now we will take out the cake. You just need to put the knife like that. We will take the base and then just turn it. Just make sure when you are putting the cake, it's even on all sides. It's turned out pretty good. Now what we can do is just slice the cake if we want to. be sliced into half very easily with a good knife. Sometimes some mess will be created, but that's okay. Now we can take this part here. Just look at the beautiful color. Now comes the time for the sauce. Our white sauce is ready. We will just pour this in the inside layer for that extra moisture. Yes, this is great. Now if we want, we can add a layer of cranberries. Otherwise, it's good like that too. We add the top layer. Here we are not cutting the cake or doing anything because this is anyway gonna hide. Then we add the next layer of the sauce. Some more, I think, should be nice. And look how beautifully the sauce is dripping out of the cake. Adds a really good look. So we have this. We can just spread it nicely. It's a crafting tool, so we can just figure this out. Then we take some cranberries and randomly put it on the cake. Since I like a lot of healthy stuff, I'm just adding pumpkin seeds. It's again a choice.
Bhumika, I'm at a loss of words. చూసారండి ఎంత అందంగా ఉందో ఈ కేక్, అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో రియలీ హెల్దీ. పైన పంప్కిన్ సీడ్స్ ఆల్సో షీస్ యాడెడ్. I just can't wait to taste this. Please cut me a slice.
I will. Just to tell you a bit about the cake, cranberries really are great for women's health.
Right.
Yeah. And pumpkin seeds also supply good amount of micronutrition to the body. So overall, matcha and all the other things are very good. Obviously, we need to, as growing adults, need to be careful about the amount of sugar.
Of course,
we
but
take.
one thing I wanted to ask you, we've added sugar
Yes,
in this,
yes.
right? Can this also, for diabetic friendly people,
Yes.
can it be replaced with stevia or monk fruit?
Yes, it can be.
That's good news.
Yes.
Okay, let's dive in now.
Yes, so I'm going to cut you a slice.
Wow.
Get your plate. It's oozing out with white chocolate.
Wow.
So enjoy.
I'm breaking a lot of rules for you today. I'm not even a fan of white chocolate or matcha, but
let's see if he make you happy.
so good. This should be your cake for Christmas this year. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Thank you for watching this episode of Teluguone Food Kitchen Stories with Soumya. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. I can't wait to see you all in another episode. Till then, stay tuned.